So in this video, you'll learn how to change the theme on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to access the theme store, and we can do this in two ways. So one of the ways is by long pressing on an empty space on your home screen, and then in the home screen editor, you should see the option Themes. The second is by navigating to the Settings app. Then from here, you want to look for Themes and tap on it. Either way, you'll be then redirected to the Galaxy theme store. So from here, you'll have all sorts of themes to choose from. So you have paid themes, free themes, and black themes, blue themes, even the newly created themes that are now just available. You can also choose to use an animated theme if you prefer. So once you've found your desired theme, so say for example, I choose this one. Then I can just tap on download and wait for it to be downloaded onto my phone. You can even choose to scroll through the previews as you wait for the download to complete itself so that you can see how the theme will be applied on your phone. Then once the theme has been downloaded, tap on apply so that it can now be added onto your phone, and then just wait for patiently. Once the theme has been applied, you'll be redirected to your home screen and you can see your new theme in action. So you can see the changes in the wallpaper, you can see the changes in the app icons. You'll even notice that there's changes in the notification panel. As you swipe through, you'll see it's changed colors. And then you'll even see that when you go to open your keyboard, it's also changed. And then you can also check on your home screen. Again, the changes will be applied. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.